Another Apple patent has just recently surfaced online. This time, the company has been granted a patent for a new hinge mechanism that could be used on a MacBook or even an upcoming foldable iPhone. According to a Patently Apple report, the patent was titled Electronic Devices with Fiber Composite Friction Hinges. The description reveals that the patent uses a fiber composite hinge that could be formed from a fiber composite material like carbon fiber composite materials. In simpler terms, it means that the Cupertino-based giant is looking to build a flexible layer, could be a flexible display, that is housed above the hinge mechanism. Furthermore, the materials imply that the new hinge would be slimmer but still be quite sturdy. Since the brand did not refer to a particular device, it could possibly even be used on a MacBook hinge, but it sounds more fitting to be a hinge on a foldable iPhone. The Apple patent also adds that an electronic device may have one or more hinges. For example, a folding device may have a first housing portion that is coupled to a second housing portion by a friction hinge. The friction hinge may include fiber-reinforced structures such as carbon fiber composite structures and other fiber composite structures. The use of fiber composite structures may help reduce hinge bulk while improving hinge performance. At the moment, we have no official news regarding a foldable iPhone from the company itself. Although, it is speculated to launch sometime within the next 2 to 3 years. Previously, we had covered certain patents regarding a foldable device, but these are still far from an official reveal. So stay tuned for more updates regarding this matter.